I bet it's gonna hard land. No, butter. 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 Wow. 757s are buttering a lot today because usually the older planes are usually the slammers. Is that a Cessna? Okay, here comes the A333. My god, it got dark really fast. Oh yeah, and there's a Air Canada 789 coming in. I don't know what runway it's coming in, but it's mostly gonna come in on 25 because I think that's where their their terminal is. Infinite Flight A330 rework should sound like this. Holy crap, the quality is really crappy. Oh, hard landing. That's a first for an A330. And the quality went really crappy again. I've never seen an A330 hard land before.